In this video, I'm going to show you a quick fix if your LG dishwasher won't stop beeping. That constant noise can be annoying, but don't worry. It's usually easy to solve. First, check if the dishwasher door is properly closed. A slightly open door can cause beeping alerts. Next, look for any error codes or flashing lights on the display. These can point to specific issues like a water supply problem or a filter that needs cleaning. Try pressing the Start/Pause button to reset the cycle. If that doesn't work, unplug the dishwasher for a minute, then plug it back in to reset the system. Also, check if the dishwasher has finished its cycle completely. Some models beep until you open the door after a cycle ends. If the beeping continues, inspect the float switch inside the dishwasher. If it's stuck or blocked, it might cause false alerts. If none of these steps fix the beeping, it could be a sensor or control board issue, and you may need to contact LG support or a technician. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more easy appliance fixes.